My grandfather is quiet. When people ask him questions, he always has few words. Although he's wordless, he loves me greatly. He always buys a variety of toys I like for me without hesitation. Not only that, as long as I feel like doing something, he will silently support me. He always tells various funny stories to make me happy when I am sad. When I lose confidence, he always encourages me firstly and makes efforts to come up with a variety of ways to cheer me up. I will never forget all that he does for me. This is my grandfather. Though he isn't good at speaking, he provides me with almost all the words and tenderness. I am so moved. Now winter vacation is coming. I will go back to the hometown and visit it.